Go.
We're welding. We're welding. We're both welding like crap. It's not just me, and not just him. I'm building a filament spool winder, and it will also serve as my spool winder for my filament extruder that I am building. And if you hear me muffled, I'm wearing a welding helmet while I film this, because I am trying to keep my eyeballs from going bad.
Retinas seared like tuna steaks.
Yeah, I want to be able to see corn in concert and on my dinner plate. Anyway. Okay, this thing isn't hot anymore, excuse me. That's garbage. I can weld way